Hello, everyone. The topic for today is types of production system. So, first of all, I would like to tell you what is the meaning of production system. So, production system is basically anything with the help of which your input gets converted into output. Now, how this input gets converted into output? It gets converted into output with the help of men, machines, and material. So this whole conversion process with the help of which your input gets converted into output is your production system. I hope so now that the term production system is clear to you all. Moving further, we will discuss the various types of production system. So basically there are four types of production system. First one is your job shop production system. Second is your batch production system. Third is your mass production system. And the fourth one is your continuous production system. Now we will be discussing each one of the following individually. First of all, we will take up job shop production system. So what is job shop production system? This type of production system is one in which very few type of products, or it can be one in number also, they are produced. So basically what happens is there is the machines that are used are very specialized or highly uh, specialized machines are used, as well as the labors are also very highly skilled. And such production system takes place once an order is received. Like you can take up the example of aeroplanes, bridges. All these things, they are basically produced when we receive an order. So I think so that the concept of job shop production system is much clear to you now. Next is your batch production system. Now, what is a batch production system? Batch production system is very different from what we do in your job shop production system. Here, where a variety of products can be produced, and these products, they are not very small in number, not very limited in number. We can produce products in bulk. So, but the only thing is that only similar type of products can be produced, and these products are produced in batches, or we can also say that they are produced in lots. So and the machineries that are used in this type of production system are also very general purpose machines, and the workers are also very unskilled or semi-skilled laborers are used. So there's no need of a very highly skilled labor in case of batch production system. Now moving further. Okay, this is a typical exam diagram of a batch production system, wherein, as you can see, that it is very cost effective and machinery can be reutilized for multiple things, and the production run is also very short, and the parts are made in batches, as we have already discussed. Next is your mass production system. So what happens in case of a mass production system? That as we know that you understand the concept of homogeneous. So the products produced over here are homogeneous in nature. That that means same type of very similar products are produced. The example you can take is of automobile industry, like your cars or your two-wheelers. All these types of products, they are produced with the help of mass production system. And one feature of this system is that the machines are arranged as per the sequence of production. And what happens is your raw material enters the first machine, and it automatically gets transferred from one machine to another. And in the end, what we get is your finished product. It comes out of the last machine. So I think so now the concept of mass production system is also clear to you. Now the last one is your, before moving to the last one, uh, These are some of the examples of mass production system like your cars, chocolate bars, electronic goods. All these are examples of your mass production system. Now, moving towards the last part, that is your continuous production system. So, what happens in this continuous production system is that the raw material that is used in this type of production system, it is really very heavy, or we can say very bulky in nature. So, it is very difficult for the laborers to get it moved from one place to another. So, there is a use of conveyor belts like you can see in the airports. What happens is that you simply keep your luggage on that conveyor belt, and uh, goes away. And once you go to pick up, then also you can easily pick that from the conveyor belt. Same here also, that concept is also utilized in this continuous production system, and the raw material is moved from one place to another with the help of conveyor belts. And the main feature of this production system is that the production takes place 24/7. The workers works in shifts, but this production not does not take place all the year round, obviously. So the factories of cement, steel, all aluminum, all these factories run on the concept of the continuous production system. So I hope so. Now the various types of production system are clear to you. And in the end, I have also given two references. These are the two reference books that you can refer for this topic. And thank you so much.